Hi, this is Daniel for GearBest. I bring you yet another fitness smart bracelets. I'm not sure what to call them exactly, like fit band, fitness bracelet, or fitness smart bracelet. Anyway, this is the Elephone ELE Band 5. That's L from Elephone and not L from being for women or not. This is unisex fitness band. It's the Elephone ELE Band 5. Now this is a very slim designed fitness band with all the usual functions that we come to associate with this kind of devices, and also a few more. Like it has a 0.96 inch TFT color screen right here, so that's a color screen. And what you will want to do once you have this device, this fitness band, is you will have its own companion app in your smartphone or in your tablet. If you're using another device, it's compatible with iOS and Android. So if you're using an Android smartphone or an iPhone, you can both, they work with the Elephone fitness band. So you will have an app called Wear Fit 2.0, and from there you can pretty much have a look and control all the monitoring aspects of the fitness band, like the pedometer, the calorie burn, the distance traveled, you know, all those features that fitness bands have, so you can keep healthy and keep control of your body and what you're doing in your day-to-day life. Inside there's a 90 milliamp battery that will charge in 2 hours and can last in standby up to 10 days, obviously a little less if you're using it a lot, but still this is the kind of device you can wear for 1, 2 or 3 or 4 days without needing to charge, without worrying about its energy. And speaking of, if you do want to charge it, it's very easy. You just need to actually remove the bracelets. The bracelets, they are removable. It's very, you just push like this. Let me see if I can do it. There you go. One. And then here in the back there's the charging unit. It's actually a USB. You connect this to USB ports and it will just charge, just like any other USB compatible device. Like you charge your smartphone with cables, but this you connect the device directly into the USB port and it will charge. In the back here there's like a flashing sensor which actually will like be sensing, it will be touching your skin in your wrists, and it will be monitoring your heart rates and all the other aspects I mentioned before, like the calorie burn and all that. So that's pretty much it. It's the ELE Band 5 from Elephone. Elephone, by the way, it's more widely known as a smartphone manufacturer, but they also do other devices, other gadgets, and this is one of them. Very good pricing. Check below in the link all the details, all the specs, everything you can do and you cannot do with it. Like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.